Come here, Sakura. Oh my gosh, you're throwing a fit. Come here. Sakura. Come here. Come here. Here's Orion. Here's Lila. There's Calyx. Hi. Hi, mister. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Oh, are you pawing me? Are you pawing me? Hi. Oh. Hi, buddy. No. Hi, Calyx. Hi, Calyx. What? Oh my goodness. Look at you. Hi. Hi, Orion. What, Sakura? Hi. Hi, Calyx. What? Are you wanting attention? What? My goodness. She's just meowing for attention. It's not all about Mama. Hi, Calyx. Hi. Oh. Hi, buddy. Oh, the scratches. Oh. You are so cute. And your belly rubs. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh. Hello. Are you pawing me? Yes, you are. Oh, you want me to hold you? Oh, I do. I hold you a lot. No, no, let go. Oh, oh, oh. I want to hold your brother too. Oh. Oh, Calyx. You are such a lover. My goodness. Mommy is so mad I'm not giving her attention. I'm giving you guys attention. She is so mad. You guys got Mama jealous. You guys got Mama jealous. Yeah. Oh, Calyx. Hi, Orion. Are you gonna play? You are just the calm one. Just lay down all the time. Huh. Hi, Orion. Hi, baby. Oh, you like your face scratched. It's your favorite thing. Don't fall asleep on me. If I keep doing your favorite thing, you're gonna fall asleep. You are. Oh my goodness. You sleep a lot, mister. You sleep a lot. Hi, Lila. Hi. Hi, Lila. You're cuddling. Yeah. Hi. Are you playful still? Oh, you just want your belly rubbed. Oh. Look at your faces. So cute. You're so cute. Guys are so cute. Your mama is so mad at me because I ain't giving her attention. I'm giving you guys attention. What are you doing? Hi. Are you gonna start playing? Huh? Oh, no, you're gonna start crawling. Yeah. Where are you going? What you doing? What you doing, Calyx? You're walking all over the place. Trying to find everybody's attention. What? What you doing? Meowing for attention. Hi, buddy. Hi. What? Oh my goodness. You're pawing my arm. What? Your belly rubs. Yeah. What? Well, Mama's rubbing up against me over here. Trying to get my attention. Oh my goodness. Rubbing up against my leg continuously. You pawing the blanket. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? You too. Hi, Calyx. Oh. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? You're just sitting there. Do your happy face. No. Here. Whoop. I see your face. What you doing? Huh. Oh, Orion's going back over here. Now it's the bushel. You are really just wanting all my attention. What, Mama? I'm trying to say hi to the babies. Oh, and then I stop giving you attention. You start crawling over here. What? Oh my goodness. You guys. My goodness. What? What? Say hi. You say hi? No. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, I picked you up. You're back talking. They want to see your face. My goodness. They wanted to see your face. My goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Look at your bitty. Oh, you're so cute. You are so cute. You. Bitty. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You just bit Orion's tail. Calyx. Be nice. No biting tails. No bite tails. Are you gonna paw me? Are you gonna nip at me now? Oh, hello. Yes. Hello. You're both licking me. Oh, thank you, Orion. You did lick me. Thank you for the kisses. You're so cute. You look just like your mom. Yeah. You look just like your mommy. Who is pouting next to me? Because I am not petting her 24/7. What? You're meowing for my attention. Oh my goodness. You are attention gobbler. Gobble, gobble all the attention. What? Oh my goodness. Hi, Calyx. Oh, there he goes. You and your sister are like, you're laying on your bellies, wanting my attention. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, the belly scratches. You're licking my fingers. Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Calyx. Oh my goodness, you're holding onto my hand. Gotta let go. Oh, let go. Nope. Okay. Oh my goodness. Don't go. Huh. Don't go. Okay, got away. Orion, what are you doing? Are you biting the blanket? You're biting the blanket. What are you doing over here, mister, all by yourself? Orion, what are you doing? Hi. At least you're not biting my hand. Like your sister and brother, like playing with my fingers and hand. You're a sweetheart. Oof, you're moving. He's on the go! What? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you don't do that. You just let me scratch your belly and you don't even care. You don't even care. Hi. You're so funny. You're just pawing. What? Oh, you got my finger. You got my finger. Yeah. Do. What? Do. You play much different than your brothers. Your brother and your sister. Oh, there goes Calyx. He's just grabbing me. He's grabbing me. Oh my goodness, Calyx. Oh my goodness, Calyx. Oh, you're grabbing me. You're on your sister. Oh, Leela, is he on you? Is he on you? You're just dealing with it. Oh my goodness. You're so funny. You're so funny. Hi, Orion. Do. What you doing? Can I see your face? Are you gonna show your face? Hi, cutie. Oh, you're swatting at it. Oh my goodness. Swat. I need attention. My goodness, you take up all the attention. My goodness. I know. Hello. Are you gonna get your sister? Are you gonna pounce? Oh, your nail's stuck. Here. Oh, there you go. There you go, Orion. Get her. Yeah. They're always attacking the blanket. What is with you attacking the blanket all the time? Oh, what, are you gonna attack me? Do. Nope, you're gonna attack the blanket. You are so weird. I'm gonna attack an inanimate object. I totally said that wrong. Inanimate object. Oh my gosh, I can't even say it right. Tongue-tied. What are you doing? Oh, the berries. No, you are so stubborn. Hi, what are you doing over here? You guys are attacking the stars. You are so interesting. Oh. Hi, Calyx. Hi, Calyx. Oh, the belly. Oh, the belly, look at your face. You're so cute. Ooh, you're grabbing my hand. Oh, thank you for the kisses. See, Mommy got so jealous she's finally in here. She's like, I can't take this anymore. Give me love. Stop giving it all to the kittens. What? You are so mad at me. She was pouting. And I wasn't even stopping her. She's so funny. She's so funny. You're so funny. Give me the attention. You got the attention most of the last video. My goodness. Calyx over here. He's gonna find out you're in here and he's just gonna start eating again. Like always. Oh. Are you trying to climb up my arm now, Mr. Climber? Mr. Climber. Climby. Hi. Oh. What are you doing? Hey, you're biting my knuckle. Don't be nice. Pat. I know you're playing. But you still got needle-sharp teeth. I feel like sewing needles poking me. Your teeth are growing. Oh, you're climbing up my arm again. Oh my gosh. Say hi, Calyx. Look at your face. You're so cute. You just don't even care. I'm holding you. Your brother's sassier. No, you're not going to climb up my arm. This mister's trying to climb too. Where do you think you're gonna go? Where do you think you're gonna go? Now your brother's on you. Now you got your brother sitting on you. Oh my gosh, Orion. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Calyx found mommy. There's Orion. Looks just like his mommy. Yo, Orion, you guys are just pawing at everything. What are you doing? You are attacking everything. Oh my goodness. You guys are playful right now. Do 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 do. Boop 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 boop. Are you gonna bite me too? Oh, there you go. There goes a bite. Oh my goodness. You are so playful. You are so playful. Oh. You like to cuddle, but you're so playful. Oh, you're so cute. Let's see your face. Hi, Lila. Look at your face. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, meow. Meow. Orion, are you gonna meow again? Here, let me see you. Mister, I wanna climb. Oh, no. Oh, meow. You're being a booger. You're being a booger right now. Oh, what? You just licked my finger, what? You're so mad I'm giving them attention. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Okay, you guys. Say good night. Good night. Are you gonna play some more? No? Are you winding down? Yeah. You, mister, just want to climb. No. No. Stay with mommy. No, you're not climbing out of the box. No, mister. What? What? Whoa. Oh, you want a back itch. You're like, itch my back. Itch my back. You are so mad I'm not giving you all the attention. Well, I'm going to have to get off this video and give you some attention to hold you because you were just wanting all my attention right now and you were getting mad that I'm giving them attention. You were so mad about that. Yes, I know. I know you were so mad I gave the kitties attention. What? What? You crawled over to my hand. Hi. I know, hello. Oh, are you meowing for my attention? I'm not gonna hold you right now. Not right now. Not right now. Oh. No, you're not gonna climb up me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You just want my attention. Seriously? Oh, I love you too. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the kisses. I love you too. I love you too. Oh, just want my attention. Just want me to rub your belly to sleep. You like your belly rubbed to sleep. He likes his face rubbed to sleep. Are you trying to ask me for attention? Oh, no, you're getting mad because I was just about to leave you. You'll live. Oh, excuse you. No, no, leave my hand alone. What, Orion? You want a face itch? Oh, you're like your mommy. Itch my face. Oh, yes, that's your favorite spot. Oh, you're leaning into my hand. Yep. Itch my face. What? Well, here goes the girl. Meowing again. What? I give you attention a lot. My goodness. Orion, what? Hi. Oh, you want a face itch. Oh, you didn't lean your face into my hand. Oh my goodness, Orion. Oh my goodness. You just want attention. You just want attention. Yeah. Oh, there's your face itch. Itch my face. Itch my face. Oh, now you want to get on my hand. What is with you guys getting on my hand? Oh, belly rub. Belly rub me. Whoop. Sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Trying to move my hand. Good girl, mommas. Here. Go to mommy. She's laying down. Here. No, right here. Here, right there. There you go, buddy. You guys have been playing for 20 minutes now. You're like, food. Oh, Orion, you eat a lot. You're always eating. You're always eating. You, mister, what are you gonna do? What? Oh, you're so cute. Now you're gonna meow. Oh, that's the first time you've meowed me picking you up. Here. That is the girl. That's why. She's just wanting food. And that's Calyx. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Sometimes I get you guys confused unless I look at the top of your guys' heads. Oh my goodness, Calyx. You're the one who kept bugging me for attention. Oh, belly rub. While he's eating, look at that. You're so funny. You too have just been bugging me for attention, and then you want face rubs. Look at you. You're just staring at me. Oh, you want me to scratch your face to sleep. Oh, yep, he's falling asleep. Okay. Yeah. Say hello. There you go. You're gonna have blue eyes like your mom. I just saw that. These two look like they have yellow eyes like Daddy. Whenever I look closely. You, mister, are hiding your pretty blue. You're hiding. Oh, there's your favorite spot. Oh, the face itch. Oh, the face itch, just like mommy. You got mommy's favorite spot. And then they got their belly rubbed like their daddy. You like your face itched like mommy. Yes, you're like mommy. You're like mommy, a complainer when you were a kitten too. Like being held, but not picked up. Until you're being held comfortably. And then there's the girl. She's getting in your face. Because you're getting attention. Yeah. Because you're getting attention. Or you like your back rubbed. You're like your mom. You fall asleep with a back rub or a face scratch. You're like your mommy. Oh, you're pawing her in the face. Get out of my session of love. Attack. Yep, you're attacking her. Oh my goodness. And these guys like their belly rubs like their dad. How ironic. The boy Snow ends up like mommy. And the Browns end up like daddy. Oh my goodness. You're just like your daddy. Love, 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 love. And eat a lot. You, Missy. Oh my goodness. You guys are falling asleep. You are so cute. Is that a tail? Okay, that's the tail. I had to look for a second there. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, your face is scratch. So cute. Good night. This is a long video. Oh, this was a long video. Bye. Hey, cutie. Bye. You're licking. I saw that tongue. Boop. Oh, I'm sorry, Boo. You kind of leaned into that one. Oh. I'm surprised you're not eating yet. Oh, wait. I spoke too soon. No, wait. Are you gonna prove me wrong? Oh! trying to get over to mommy. You flop. You flopped. Oh no. You flopped. Oh no. You're so funny. Look at that blue. Oof. My goodness. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I am sorry. I had to sneeze. Good thing I have my elbow, huh? My inner elbow. Oh, you just pawed Mom in the face. Oh. He didn't mean to. Good night, Calyx. I know you're gonna fall asleep eating. Oh, did I stop giving you attention? Excuse me. My goodness. My goodness, you were just attention. If I start giving it to you, I can't stop, huh? Oh. Yeah. Yes. Oh, the scratchy face. Oh, the inner ear. See, that's a good spot too. They like that too. Oh. Oh. What? What? He's pawing mommy now. He's like, Mommy, give me attention. Oh, so cute. What? Licky. You're so cute. I'm gonna clean myself. Bye, Orion. Good night. Good night. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Paw at mommy. Paw. Give me attention, Mom. Give me attention. Attention, please. No, get out of the way. Oh, you're just telling her. Sissy getting in your way. You just want attention, huh? Your brother trying to get it from mommy. You guys are so cute. He's like, go away, Sissy. Sissy, go away. This is me and mommy. Oh my gosh, you guys are ridiculous. Oh, he's getting mad. My goodness. My goodness, you're so sassy. Oh, you just bit your sister's butt. My goodness. Grr. You guys fighting over mommy's attention. Orion. My goodness. Nibble. Sakura, you were such a good mom. You're just laying there like, I am ignoring you guys' bickering while one eats. You're such a good mama. You're such a good mama. Good girl. Alright. Good night. Good night.